Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about redness. Yes, the annoying red flush look on our skin. Now, you clicked on this video maybe because you're dealing with redness right now. Even if you're not dealing with it at the moment, I'm sure you have at some point in your life. So since it's so common, I really want to make a video about it. To start off, there are a few skin concerns that associate itself to redness. So for example, rosacea, eczema, lupus, seborrheic dermatitis, acne, skin irritations in general, sun exposure, sun damage, all those things tend to make our skin appear red. So what do we do? What can we do? How do we fix it? How do we minimize it? I know a couple of really great products that I'll share with you today, so let's get into it. So the Roche Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer has really great ingredients, ceramides. It's really great for the skin. It has glycerin to help with hydration and niacinamide. So all those ingredients are really going to help sort of protect your skin, repair the skin barrier, help with soothing in general. They're very, very gentle ingredients. La Roche-Posay has, given me really great results every time I used it. And when I first moved to Toronto, my skin developed seasonal eczema. So I don't usually get eczema, but because it was my first year here, my skin was just so shocked at how dry the city is. So the first winter, I actually developed, it wasn't here, it was like on my torso, and it was just this patch of eczema. And so I decided to, go to a pharmacy. The pharmacist recommended La Roche-Posay, and given like 2 days, it healed. You can also find Bioderma at the drugstore. Bioderma, there's one called Sensibio AR cream that's really great because it helps with that heating sensation that a lot of flushed skin experience. So it kind of gives you like that cooling sensation, but it's not like a stinging cooling. It's kind of just like a nice soothing, relieving kind of feeling for your skin to sort of like calm it down so that it's not as hot to the touch and red. So this product also contains glycerin. Paula's Choice has a line called Calm that dedicates itself to redness. It's great because it has the entire skincare line almost. So it has a cleanser, it has a toner, a serum, a BHA, and moisturizers, a version for normal to oily, and also normal to dry, which is amazing. Another ingredient that you can try for redness is azelaic acid. Now, azelaic acid is amazing because it helps exfoliate the skin, okay? But it's not like AHA and BHA where it's more high strength. I know some people can't take AHA, BHA just because it's a little too harsh for their skin. That's where azelaic acid comes into play. It's your friend because it is much more gentle, but it also does what AHA can do. Now, in terms of like how effective when it comes to exfoliating, it's not as good as AHA. When it comes to exfoliating, AHA is still number one. It's still the top. But there are benefits to azelaic acid that AHA and BHA can't do as well, which is to even out your skin tone. That's what azelaic acid can do for you. So if you're dealing with redness, you do still need to exfoliate. That's why I recommend azelaic acid, and it will help with the overall complexion. If you have pretty severe acne, azelaic acid might not do anything for you, but if you're dealing with just like a mild case, try azelaic acid. Another product that I recommend is a sunscreen. So you can look into this one called Elta MD sunscreen, and basically it's a physical sunscreen, a mineral sunscreen that contains zinc oxide. And if you are somebody who deals with redness, it's best to use a physical sunscreen where it shields sunlight from your skin, because you don't want chemical sunscreen where it kind of absorbs the heat. That's going to make your skin even more red, even more flushed and heated. So you want physical where it kind of acts as a barrier. Zinc oxide reflects sunlight off your skin. So that one's really great, the Elta MD. All the products that I've talked about, I'll put information and links down in the description box so you guys can go check it out. I know some of you are like, well, what is rosacea or what is lupus? So rosacea, the redness concentrates on the center of the face. So usually the nose is pretty red and bulbous. The cheeks, sometimes like the entire face. There's no cure for it yet, but lifestyle and using the right products and avoiding certain triggers will definitely help with the look of rosacea. Seborrheic dermatitis is found on the scalp. Seborrheic dermatitis does sometimes appear on the face. It can look kind of like dry, scaly, and red. Another skin concern that you might see redness is eczema. They're itchy patches. It's like an itch that rashes. Lupus is like, it focuses the redness on this part. So the bridge of the nose out to the cheeks. And a lot of times, not for everyone, but for many individuals, the redness looks like the wings of a butterfly. So it will actually look like that on the face. Along with the redness, you might also experience symptoms like fatigue, fever, joint pain, dry eyes, like fatigue, fever, and then just like redness on the face in general. A lot of people might not identify as lupus right off the bat. A key thing to identify is the redness of looking like a butterfly on the cheeks. I hope you guys enjoyed this redness video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below and I'll catch you very soon in my next video.